So after taking this whole thing apart and trying to move the red wire up into the frame, I did not succeed. I then have used the soldering iron Weller pencil to get. So I got this pencil down in there. Whoa, I got the pencil in there, and I was able to hit the wire with some solder. So anyway, the pencil went down in there. I don't want to do it again and melt things, but let me show you what I did. The pencil went down in there. There, I'm trying to put it back, the pencil. Okay, welder tip went in there and I hit the wire with some solder. This damn Apple phone doesn't focus now, you know. There. So that little silver tip there is the tip of that red wire now. And I will try to get a piece of wire and tin the wire and hit it with solder and see if I can get the wire extended. I can't move this red wire through the frame. No matter how hard I try, it won't go. So it's jammed. The red wire, which comes out of the top power plug. Here's the red wire, as you can see, along the frame, and taking this all apart. It's jammed. When it goes into here, it's jammed on something, and I don't want to take that apart. So I guess I'm going to just solder it where it is, way in there. You can see now I got the tip of it soldered. Right there's the tip of that red wire, and I'm just going to jam another wire on there and attach to this one and call it good. The hell with it. All right, so much for fixing a Dyson power head that scrubs the floor. And this thing, after 5 years of use, is filthy. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope you don't have to fix one of these. It's awful.